Hey guys, it's your girl Gerlinda. I'm back again today with another video. You guys, yesterday was wave 1, or the first wave of the storm. And it started yesterday about 6 p.m. and went all the way to probably, I don't know, I think I went to sleep a little after it stopped. And so today there's another wave coming at about 2 p.m. Let me show you what it looks like. Well, it looks like it's blowing snow right now. Let me show you. Look at all of that. The only footsteps I see are maybe a cat or something. But that is a blanket of snow that looks to be about maybe 2 inches for now. But later this afternoon it starts again, and it'll be the second wave, and once that stops it'll be all over. But the temperatures will be so low that it's not going to melt, you know, for a few days. So we'll see how long it takes for it to melt. I got things to do. I need to be mobile, and this is going to slow me down. But, you know, what do you do? Got my thermostat set to 74. It's nice and toasty in here. I'm very comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and go through this Valentine's Day tote, see what I have. This is the little string I was talking about that I like to put on my entryway table. It's not much, but I just like it. It's so cute, and I use it every year, so I knew it was probably in this tote, but that day when I was getting stuff, I didn't I didn't get the whole tote out. I just got the main things. Like I needed my mug, his favorite mugs and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the little, I guess, garland. I guess you call it garland that I put on the entryway table. And the hearts that I put on my table are actually ornaments, but they're so cute and shiny. So cute and shiny. And they have a little gold on them. I think they're so cute. So I put them in my, you know, I have a huge glass dish that I have on my table, and it's usually I have balls that go in, like they're balls that match a lot of the decor, the furniture, or not the furniture, like all of my brown and gold stuff. I have balls that I put in that glass dish. So on holidays, I like to sometimes take the balls out and then use something that goes with the holiday theme. So that's where I like to put my hearts. I'll show you. So this is where I like to put them. I just drop them in. And they can kind of stack on top of each other. I think it looks really cute. Just in keeping with the theme. I just love if I take a theme and just go with it and keep going with it until it looks like I want it to look. I also have a tier tray that I want to do. I think, if I remember correctly, last year I needed to buy some more things for my tier tray to decorate it and finish it for Valentine's Day. I swear to you, I'm pretty sure that there's another Valentine's Day tote outside in the storage, but I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna put this garland over here on the entryway.
I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking.
Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go down, hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video and you won't miss any of my videos. Also, go over to TikTok and follow me there. Instagram as well. TikTok is Gerlinda Gray. Instagram, Gerlinda Gray. Follow me. I'm trying to grow all of my socials, and I would love to have you guys join me on all of my socials. Anyways, I'm going to be hanging around here, just trying to stay warm and waiting on this second wave of this storm to see how much snow we're going to get. They're thinking 10 to 12 inches. So right now we have 2 to 3 all around different areas or different, drifts. So 2 to 3 to maybe 4 inches now. But they think that we're going to get a total of 10 to 12. So stay tuned.